Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of YouTube clone series. So I upload already 4 videos where I discuss entire backend and then some pages of front end. And today I'm gonna explore and I'm gonna create more UI. So you can see this is the YouTube clone UI, and so far we create this header and profile, and today I'm going to discuss this library and explore and home. So let's back to the VS Code. So I open up my VS Code and where I open video API file. So inside this we have multiple API function. So this function we already talked about it, and now rest of it we are gonna talk about it. So yeah, this is the first upload video API we already talked about, and now it's the next one is a video wall fetch fetch all video API. So this is a function, and where you passing three things: page, limit, search, and these are coming from the component where I want to handle, like where I dispatch this function or thunk function, right? So yeah, and this is the params, and then I pass in like page and limit, and separately search. If param search is equal to search, if it's true, then grab these things, and then I return a get request and with dynamic URL. So this is a base URL. Yeah, you can see this is a base URL, and yeah, this is a fetch all video API. And the second one is fetch popular videos API, because if you show you, yeah, this is the all video, this is a fetch all video, and if you look at the sequence, and if you look at now home, it's a little bit different, because on home page you can see the most popular video, and I did with like putting likes. First preference was like views and like, but here you are, if you look at here, like on explore page, just new video. So I sorted like the new video, right? So yeah, even though you can handle these two logic inside one controller, but if you watch my backend video where I talk about it, is that like now I'm gonna create separately. So yeah, so that's what I did, and yeah, if you want to, you can even combine in one controller. So it's up to you, but my point is to show you the different perspective. Yeah, so this is a fetch popular video API, and I'm using asynchronous function because it takes times, and then I'm passing params, and then it's a guest it's a get request, and then base URL, and it should be dynamic and popular videos, and then return a response data, and then fetch video API, particular one video I'm caring about here. So video ID come from where I dispatch the thunk, and then base URL and video ID, right? Similar to toggle like API, and yeah, base URL, video ID, it should be, it's a put request, and it's a dynamic URL, and then similar to toggle bookmark, and then update video as viewed API, and also add comment API. So these are API function, and now we are going to create our thunk function, because yeah, thunk function handle the request, right? So yeah, so fetch all videos. So create async thunk, and this one for debugging purpose, and then asynchronous function page limit, and then I send a request API fetch all video, and with passing page and limit, and then backend process, and then they send back a response. All the response I grab here, I store here data, and then I return data videos, and because I structure on backend this way videos. So yeah, so inside data we have video, and yeah, and then all the things I store here, items, and then also we have total page, and yeah, because we are going to introduce a pagination, because yeah, it's obvious. So this way we have to structure, and this is a catch block, catch error, right? This is a fetch all video, and then fetch popular video, similar things, right? The similar to fetch all video, but here we have fetch popular videos, and then search limit fetch query time, I make it null, and then I pass params search limit and first query. First query time means I want to track your time, right? When you are hit the URL, and then I request yeah, and then with params all the data I put here and I store here. But if you look at here, I'm not using destructuring, but if you look at the above URL, I'm using destructuring, right? So yeah, because as I told you is that like I can show you different way, different perspective, and it's totally up to you the way you want to use, right? Yeah. So and then after that I return the data videos and data first query time, popular videos and first query time. All right, and then fetch video, like video ID comes from where dispatching is happening, and like yeah, like and this ID also comes from params, and then response yeah, I request this fetch video API and then video, and then I try to handle here error, and that's it. Then toggle like video ID and thunk API. Yeah, here I'm just using thunk API to handle a reject with value. I call toggle API video ID and then data. Here I'm destructuring. Yeah, that's it. And this video ID coming from the toggle component, like where I dispatch, and then toggle like, yeah, toggle bookmark, and toggle like toggle bookmark is same, video ID dispatch. And yeah, it's a little bit different. Why is that? Because we are calling dispatch because and also we are importing fetch current user. Why is that? You know what? If you look at the way I store the data inside user document or user collection, so we want to show okay, first let me show you. If you look at library, okay, so this is the library, and this user have this like video and save video. So inside user document we have like these two field, but the question is, if you like if you save this content, how you can grab this, how you can store these two inside ether document. So we have to manually yeah, we have to manually do it, and that's why and I think I already talked about it. There is a two approach. This is the direct approach, and you can use indirect approach. So if you do indirect approach, you don't need to do these things. But I think direct approach is better than a second approach, because here you can control entirely. And yeah, so first of all, video ID dispatch and reject with value, and then I request with video ID, and then all the data is stored here data, and then I dispatch the fetch current users. All right, and then return video ID bookmark. Inside bookmark we have data bookmark, and yeah, and then update view as viewed, video ID thunk API, and then data API. I call with video ID, and then I return data. That's it. And add comment, video ID content thunk API, and then data API add comment, video ID content similar. I think if you understand one thunk function, rest of it you can understand easily, right? So I'm just walking through, nothing else. And yeah, this is initial state. So videos, popular videos, video data null, bookmark videos, empty array, and then current video null, popular video loading false, error, and total page. So now you have a question, why is to loading? Well, I think if you work on, like if you use loading and somehow you are using use effect on your component, so when your project load, maybe it run obviously, but the state we have inside the project, so that apply inside your other component. So you will get unexpected behavior. So that's the things I observed so far, and so separately I create two things. Yeah, you can try one in one loading, and then yeah, it's the initial state, reducer, clear error, and now extra reducer for thunk function because we are using thunk. And this one we discuss about, we'll discuss. You can see here I'm doing with new style because just I'm only care about fulfill. But if you look at my end with using add matcher, so yeah, video type, and yeah, add matcher means pending and rejected. So yeah, here we're handling. Let me explain you. Nothing else, like video all fetch means yeah, just pending true, and then video all video fulfill, loading false, action payload items, and yeah, assigned listed videos, and then total page update it, and then fetch popular video, action payload popular video, assign here, then fast query time assign here, and then popular videos false, and fetch video pending fulfills. And like if you look at action payload, because fetch video we don't have, like we just we just structure data. So here we are just entirely assign here. But if you look at here action payload dot popular videos, because if you look at here I've already assigned here, so like this. But fetch video, just we return data videos. So yeah, we don't need to. And yeah, it's and then toggle. Yeah, you have to understand this very carefully. Toggle like I'm showing you, let me just a second. So let's say I already like it, but if you click on it, you can see instantly it's update. Now you can see instantly it update, right? So how? Right, I think when you implement it, if you don't do this way, so it's not gonna update. After refreshing it updates, right? So yeah, but the question is how you can update instantly. So video ID like user ID, these are coming from backend action payload, and here I'm just restructuring. So I separately create a variable called video, so state.current video. So this one now become video, and I'm checking video ID and this video ID. If they are matching, run this block of code. So this means, this is a video ID, means it's a video ID, right? And now I'm liking this one, so which means, well, the video ID I am trying to like in the video I'm request, it's similar. So if they are run this block of code, so first there is a field called likes inside video document. So I'm just updating this entire things. If it's true, yeah, video likes, otherwise empty array. Second line, it says this is a variable name already like. I'm checking video likes includes user ID. If there is a user ID inside there, make it true. If not, it becomes false. So for example, there is a video user ID, so it's become true. And in this if statement, I'm checking if like is true, and if there is no, and let's say if like is true and it's not false, that means both are true. Technically, not technically, yeah, indirectly. So it's true, that means run this block of code. So that means, yeah, that means there is no user inside there. So just I have to push user ID inside this like field, right? Push means an user ID. Just push likes. This is a method. And then else if it's not, you run this block of code. Like is not there. Yeah, it's not true and it's true. Run this block of code. That means user already liked that content. Just I have to remove. So I'm using filter. So if you don't know how filter works, filter just work the following way. If two element matches, if two element match, except that two element, keep as it is other element and just remove this two element. Indirectly it's saying if one match with others, both are gonna be removed. Alright, so yeah, like indirectly it's not, but both means like if this ID and this ID, if they are not equal, so remove these things from that array. Yeah, this is the toggle field, and similarly toggle bookmark. So video ID and bookmark, those are coming from backend, and I'm just updating if it's true, and then run this block of code. So first, if state bookmark include video, if it's not true, run this. That means push this video ID inside bookmark video. And if it's true, or if it's false, then run this block of code. And similar way, just filter it. Just remove that video ID from that array. And yeah, and then add that state video and current for consistency. So here I'm just updating. This is a variable state video find video ID and video ID. If they are matching, just it's gonna be true. And if it's true, video user bookmark. If it's not, then state current ID is equal to video. If it's match, then state current user bookmark. It's very pretty simple. And then yeah, then update video as viewed, just assign payload video, and add comment state current video and state current video comment. If they are, then push all the object inside comment field. There is a comment field inside video, and as I explained to you these two things. Yeah, so this is the video slice page. So we talk about all the all the API thunk reducer, right? Yeah. So now we are going to work on, and here you are, and this is the store. We have to import the video reducer inside here, and this is the video name. So this video is very important, this name, because where you want to dispatch, you have to understand this, so we can access all the state with this name, right? And so now we are going to work on library. This is a library page. This is a library page, and this is a library page. So we import all the necessary, dependency. So use selector, use dispatch, fetch current user, link, use location, and yeah, like all the icon, motion, animate present, skeleton. Yeah. So we just call use dispatch, use location, and then current user, loading error from user, and then fetch user data on mount or when navigating back from video player, right? So yeah, so dispatch this fetch current user which catch failed to load library, please try again, and then I dispatch location path refetch when path name changes, and then I format the time. I pass in date string, then if not, show it. If it's there, then create this new date string. And I'm just caring about US format. So year, month, day, hour, minute, and then handle try on error. Handle try, dispatch fetch current user, and the loading skeleton for card. So just this is a skeleton UI, nothing else. Grid columns on a small screen. Above small screens, a grid would be 2, or more larger screen, grid would be 3, and gap 6. This is the skeleton and render video card. I'm passing two things, item and type, and this is the list, motion list. Item, yeah, item ID, then initial, this is the motion boiler code, and then this is the class, just, and then link, video item, video ID, inside ID. So if you click on it, you can back to the player page, and then thumbnail, title, and loading on error, and this is yeah. So this is the render video card utility function or utility. So yeah, and this is the main fun, like main section. Yeah, I'm render. So this is a motion h1. I think I have to remove this. Just your library is fine, and then just error message. This is the error message. You can see, just it's a div. Inside div we have span, then I pass in error, and then button try. So yeah, and then loading state, loading and not, then show this, otherwise show this like video section. This is a like video section. This section I'm right now talking about, I say video section. So like, and if current user exists, we have inside this like videos field, and then length greater than 0. If it's true, then show this UI. Show this UI. Grid columns 1 in short screen, or above small screen, grid 2 and 3 and gap 6. Let me show you. So this is a phone version. It's a large screen, so we have 3. If you see in phone version, yeah, on phone version you can see yeah, we can see one grid. I think I have to update. Yeah, now you can see your library. And yeah, then if current like is exist, map all the item, means all the video card, item, video type, and type if object, then render video card. And yeah, I'm using ternary operator and no like video, and this is a save video section similar to like video section. You can see save videos length, and then yeah, it's similar id. So this is the library, and now I have to import this library inside this app route. Yeah, so yeah, this is the app route, and I import here from this page library. Yeah, so you have to import these things, and yeah, so far, yeah, so you can achieve these things. And now we are going to work on video. Now we are going to work this video component. So inside features we have a video folder, and inside video folder we have all pages, all the components. First, let's see video player. So if you click on any video, this is a video player, so you can listen to the song.
Hey, I don't know what you're carrying right now.
Right. So we are going to achieve these things. Yeah. And so you can see like button, save button, comment button, and first we have to work this like button and bookmark button, then we can integrate here. So all the necessary things import like use effect, use state, use dispatch, use selector, toggle like. This is a function from this folder, and motion, icon, and toastify. Toast. I just know all this use dispatch and assign this dispatch, current user from user, current video from video, and then this is a local state like set like false, like count set like count 0, and local like loading set local loading false. It's a use effect. If current user and current video exist, run this. So is like current video likes, this is a field inside video. If current user exists, make it true, and then if it's true, set like, and then set like counts more than yeah, then count just at first 0, otherwise put all the data inside this set like count, and then yeah, pass this current video and current user, and then handle like. If current user not exist, so please log in to like video, invalid video id, and then optimistic so you can optimize this. Was like, yeah, if you teach, make it assign this set like not like, and then set like count prep plus like minus, and then yeah, set loading true, and then try. Then you fetch the toggle like thunk with video id. This video id comes from parent component like video player. Unwrap it, and then this is the catch. Set like, was like, and then set like count prep plus was like, I'm using binary operator inside, and then toast error. This is the logic. It's very simple. And then motion button, like it's a boilerplate code, like while hover, scale, while tap, on click, pass handle like, and then disable class name. It's a dynamic class name. If like, for this; if not, for this. And I also change the state. Like, show this heart, otherwise show this heart. And then yeah, also change the yeah, likes count. If one, show this, or if like more than one, show this. Yeah, this is the like button. And we have a simple thing similar to, let's see, the bookmark button. Same, we import necessary things. Use dispatch, use selector, toggle bookmark. It's a function, and then motion button and toastify. And dispatch, I just call, and it's a current user, and it's a user loading from user, and it's the local state each bookmark, set each bookmark, local loading, set local loading, and both are false. And then if current user save videos and video ID exist, run this code, otherwise skip this code. So bookmark and then current user save video, and I'm using sum. If they are matching, then return true. If not, return false. So ID, entry video ID, and yeah, assign this ID and return this ID, video ID, right? And set a bookmark, and then handle bookmark. If there is a no current user, return please login, save video ID, and just optimize this thing. Watch bookmark, each bookmark. Each bookmark, then watch bookmark. It's assigned here, and then set each bookmark, and yeah, not bookmark. Set local loading true, and then just dispatch this toggle bookmark with video ID, and this video ID comes from parents component, like the video player. And yeah, it's a touch block, just revert on failure, like set each bookmark, watch bookmark, and toast error, failed to toggle bookmark. And they return same things, like similar to like button, nothing else, because both button are same. Just the functionality and inside their logic are a little bit different. And yeah, now we have to work the video command. Alright, so import necessary things, add command. It's a add command. It's a like function, and then a dispatch, and then yeah, current video loading your, and then from this video, current users, from users, context text, and set command text. It's a local state, and success message, it's a local state. And yeah, handle comment summation, e.p default, and then context if not exist, return nothing. And then try dispatch this add command with video ID, content, and then set comment text empty after successful submission, and make it empty. Set success message content post successfully, then set timer 3 seconds, catch here, and loading current video not exist, so this loading comments. And this is the UI and comments, then animate video error, and then message, and then current user form text area, so you can comment on it, and then button posting and post comment. And then if you're not login user, so login to leave a comment. So right, so login, there's a link, click on it, so you can go to login page. and then I just fetch all the comment list. So if current video comments exist and current video comment length more than 0, then map all the comment. So image, and then author name, time, and content. If there is no comment, be the first to comment. This is a video component, video comment component, right? So yeah, if you look at here, this is the comment, and if you click on it, so yeah, there is a one comment with this author picture, author name, and date time, and this is the area. So and bookmark button, like button, upload video, we'll talk about it, and now video player. So all the necessary things, use dispatch, use selector, use params. We're using use params to grab the video ID, motions, skeleton, and then icon, and these 2-3 components from recently talk about it, like button, bookmark button, video comment, and fetch video, update video as viewed. These two are things from video slide as well. And this fetch video means particular one video. We already discussed the API function and the things function. So yeah, one video, yeah, we only care about this one video, and with help of params. And this ID comes from params, dispatch, current video, and yeah, from video. And this is the wall local state. Video ref, we're using use ref. Now we make it null. There's a lot of things we're going to use with this video ref. It's playing, set is playing, false. Progress, set progress 0. Duration, set duration 0. Volume, set volume 1. Playback rate, set playback rate, use 1. Each initial loading, and set each initial loading to toggle command, set toggle command false. So you can see this is the inter playback, this is the icon, right, and this is the video.
Hey,
This is the button, this is the progress bar, this is the volume, this is speed up section. You can reduce the speed, you can increase. Also there is a volume.
I don't know what you're carrying right now,
volume,
but I know it's heavy, and I know you've been carrying it.
Right, you can, yeah, this is the 10 second, you can, right, yeah, right. So yeah, use effect ID. This is the first use effect. Just be care about ID. If IDs exist, set each initial loading true. Promise all. Yeah, we care about 2 things: dispatch fetch video ID, dispatch update video as viewed. So you can increase. So when you visit this video, if you don't have if you don't watch, if you watch this first time, so it increases usage. And there's use effect, and then toggle play. If video ref current is not, return nothing, and then yeah, then each is playing is true, video ref current pause. This one I'm talking about. Now it's false. Now
It alone for a long time.
so these things I'm handling here. Toggle play. Else video ref current play catch. Set is playing crave. Yeah, toggle play. Now one time update. Video ref current return video ref current time. set progress current divided by duration multiply 100. This is the basic math. So how you can grab this thing? So this thing's one time update, and yeah, current video ref current time. It's a one time update, and then one loaded metadata. So we can load the metadata. If video ref current is not nothing, return nothing. Set duration video ref current duration, video ref current volume, video ref current playback rate, and then playback. So all the metadata we store, we just load it. And handle seek volume value e target. Same if video ref current nothing, return video ref current time value divided by 100 multiply duration. Set progress. So handle seek. So that means you can click here, where you want to click, right? So yeah, this is a seek, handle seek. And then you skip backward and you skip forward. So first, video ref current nothing, return nothing. Video ref current time math.max. Video ref current time -10. Set progress. Video ref current time by duration multiply 100. You skip forward. Video ref current return. Video ref current time math minimum duration. Video ref current time plus 10. Set progress. Video ref current time by duration multiply 100. Oh, so yeah, this is like 10 second backward and forward. Handle volume. New volume parse float e target value set volume new volume. If video ref current does not exist, then we null. Otherwise, video ref current volume, make it new volume, and then toggle mute. This one. So let's say now here, but if I click on it, so it's reduced the entire volume. So it's called mute, right? So yeah, toggle mute. Same if video ref current not, then return nothing. If volume is greater than 0, and then set is 0. You can click toggle mute, and then yeah, and else it gets 1. Alright, so yeah, click on it, now it's 0 and now it's full. So that is the logic I am just handling here. Handle playback rate change. This one. This is speed. So new rate, parse float, e target value, set back rate, new rate, and then video ref current not exist, return null, and then exist video ref current playback rate and then new rate, and toggle full screen. Video ref current return if then request full screen, and if it exists then video ref current request full screen, and then else if video ref current WebKit request full screen, and then video ref current WebKit request full screen. This one, right? So yeah, and now toggle command handle. So set toggle command, show then page, and make it reverse. So format time means first time, then second, minutes, math floor, second byte divide 60, string, pad start to 0, and then count second. Math floor second, modular 60, and then string, pad start. So this is the format time, and I try to say format time, right? This one, this time. So yeah, so and then is initial loading. Flex column gap 4, value 4, max width pixel, return, and then skeleton. So this is the initial loading, and it's a error loading. So it's very similar. And the return, and this is the main UI. So first we are using this div. So inside this div we have motion div, and yeah, this is the UI, and this is the class. It's very simple. This is the video player. This class is this one, this entire, and then we have this frame. So yeah, and then video player, and video player, and this is the details controller. So inside video player we have video, and then video ref, source, current video URL, poster, current video thumbnail URL, class, on time update, yeah, on load metadata, on end date, and then reload metadata. It's a video tag, and then we have, and this is a class like relative aspect video, in the background, this one, right, border, yeah, and then detail and control. So current video title, and then action button means all the button, and just we are passing the props like video ID, yeah, this video ID, current video, and yeah, this is a toggle button. Yeah. Toggle commands, hide command, show command, and yeah, and this is the F command. This is the progress bar. You can see input, type, minimum, maximum, step, value, one change, and then class. And this is a div, format time, and then controls like playback control. It's a button, and backward button, 10 second, and then here we have this playing button. It's playing, pause, if not this one. And this is the forward button, and this div select like volume. You can increase like this. Then you can add, right, you can add also more than 2, and yeah, this one is a volume button, and yeah, and then conditionally render view command, this one. So yeah, if you click on it, so it's a conditional. If you click on it, then you can see only this UI, otherwise not. So yeah, toggle command is to show this UI, and video command from, right. So this is the video player, and now we have to just integrate on app route. So this is the video player, and this is the ID, because ID is coming from params. So if you want to grab ID from params, so you have to do dynamic ID. This is the dynamic ID, right? And yeah, so we have this route. video ID. I'm going to show you. This is the URL, video slash ID. This is a MongoDB ID, right? So this is the video. So far we talk about video player, and it's created all the logic like button, all the components, like component, bookmark button, and right. So almost we cover video features. Yeah. So we are going to create and work on this, explore page. So this explore page, we are going to create this explore page and understand all the logic. How you can create this, explore page, right? So, first we have to create some component, and then we can integrate it. So this is a video card grid. This is the component. This component will be used on different files. So yeah, so that's this component is all about. So you can create one times, and you can you can use in multiple ways, right? And also this pagination, because we are going to create pagination. So I separately created. So this is the basic uh, import. I just import it, like use dispatch, use selector, and shallow equal, motion, animated presence, and link skeleton. And then this is a video card. This is the props. So these are coming from the parents component: title, thumb, selector, link prefix, and class name. Then you can see selector and shallow equal, item loading error, right? And then use effect, dispatch thumb, page 1 limit 6, dispatch thumb, card variant, hidden visible, then return section. This is a dynamic class, and this is a motion, and this is the title, and this is the animated presence, like for error. You can see the error. And then loading. If loading is exist, so this is skeleton. Loading is not, then show this items length is greater than 0, then show this items dot map all the items, like, and this is a link id, link prefix, and so if you click on it, so you can go to the video player page, class, and then item title, and this is the card variant, and this is the aspect, like 16:9 overflow hidden, and this is the image, and yeah, this is the image tag, item thumbnail URL, and loading error, and then item title, item category, yes, no video found. This is a video card. Let me show you. You can see this is the title and this is the category, right? So yeah, so I'm just showing, yeah, this title and category. You can show other data, but I'm not showing this thing, this component, and this is the pagination. Let me show you. Same here, we are grabbing page, set page, total page, class name, and button class name, and from parent component, and then we return this button, previous page, page of total page, and then next page. That's it. It's the pagination. And yeah, it's a class like dynamic class, like just between item center, margin top 6. So video card and pagination. And now wall video card create. So yeah, here we are dispatched, like from here we are passing the themes. So we put use selector video card, this video card for component, this video card, this video card, and then pagination also, and then fetch all videos. This is a this is a thunk function, and page set page one total page error, yeah, from video. This is the error message, and I return video card. Then I call this video card and I passing all the metadata through props. Title all video, thunk is thunk, selector, item loading, error, total page, and then page limit, link prefix, class name, and then page name, page set page, total page, class, right? So yeah, and even though you can use this video card on anywhere, so I also create separate things. So I want to show you. This is the wall video card, and then I integrate this explore page, wall video card. So search input, yeah, we are going to work on very soon this on search input. So wall video card, and now after that we have to import, integrate on app route. So this explore page, right? And yeah, let's say the home page and the explore page. So you can see wall videos. This is the theme title, right? This is the section title, and now all the video. And if you click on it, you can back. You can redirect. It can redirect you to this video player, right? And this is the pagination. This is the pagination, right? Yeah, you can see that now we have two page, and now yeah. So, and this is the search input. You can search. Let's say I'm searching 300. So this is the search result page. We are going to create also this one. Right? We have pagination. Right? Yeah. So now we are going to create search things. We create this all video card, pagination, and now search. First, let's search import. It's very basic simple. So we import basic things: use navigate, motion, icon. We call use navigate and then search term, set search term. This is the local state, and here we are handle change, handle input change, search set search term, target value, and handle search submission. If search term is exist, run this, which means if you click on enter or that button, it navigates you to search page. As I show you, right? So if you search, let's say already on this page, let's say pen. Click on it. Now we can look at this, URL, right? So because of this line of code, and then it's clear because now you cannot see any things on this, right? This search and this search it works similar way, and then UI. It's a first form and input type text value search term, one change handle input change, placeholder search, and this is the class. And yeah, this is search input, and now video search result. So we import all the necessary things: use effect, use state, use dispatch, use selector, and yeah, use location, link, motion, skeleton, and also fetch all videos. And then for dispatch, use location, and then video, loading error, total page, video, page, set page. And we are passing query parameter. Query, then URL search params, location search, and search term, query get queue, and then we call use effect. If search term exists, then dispatch this fetch all video with search term page limit 6 and cache here. And then yeah, this is animation variation, card variant, and this is the UI. So the dev, new hard screen, background, this one, and padding Y 12, padding X 4, and above small padding X 6, large H, and then header, search result for search term, this one, and let's say pen again, and yeah, this is the thing, search result and then the term. So yes, search result for this term, right? Yeah, it's so cool. And if loading is exist, we can see skeleton, and then also error. If you get error, and you can show the error, and the video, and video length more than 0, that means show this video, and all the, and also with this link, even though. So if you click on it, you can go to this video page, right, yeah. So you can achieve this thing, and yeah, an image, and video title, video description, category, tags, and views, right, and no video found, and then pagination. Just here I just create my own logic. Yeah. So back to the thing. Yeah, title, description, category, tags, the views, right? Yeah. So you can maintain this theme with this theme. So yeah, like yeah, you can create, and when it become like in a production level, so you can, yeah, you can consistent, and just I want to show you, so that's why this is the result page, right? So this is a explore page. We talk about this input field, result field, and now we have this home page. Yes, we have this home page. You are search input, video search result, and you are entirely this component, and also explore page. Now we have this home page. So this is the home. So we import this popular video card. Here also I'm using video card, this component, right? So yeah, on this, yeah, on this wall video, I'm also using same video card, and here also you can use this component in many pages if you, as much as you want. So I just import video card grid, and then fetch popular videos. This is a separate uh, video, yeah, like function. So I have to pass it video fetch popular limit 8, and title thang selector, item loading error, and then link prefix and class. That's it. And then I import here. So you can see now, and you cannot see the pagination. Yeah, if you want to add another section, let's say featured or maybe new release or whatever you want, you can. Okay, on this project, I just add a popular video. If you want to add new things, so just you have to call this, you have to create another thunk, or if you want to, you can manage inside this your controller of fetch all videos, so you can handle separately, and then you can call, and yeah, then you can pass all the data. So yeah, so I think we cover all the things. We cover profile, edit profile, upload, logout, delete, and we also talk about library and explore page, and yeah, home, and this one also. And let me show you. This is the home page. You can see this is the explore page. This is the explore page. This is the library. This is the profile page. Right? Yeah. So yeah. So now our project is complete. I hope guys you can understand it, and the code source will available on description. You can find the code source free of cost. Just one thing, if you like this project, please like my video and share to your friend so that they can get the source code and understanding. So thank you for watching.